Ciao, sono Giulia and today I'm going to share Rossano Ferretti tips for preventing frizzy hair during the summer.
If you have dry hair like me, you'll find that this type of hair texture loves to absorb moisture from the humid hair. The hair will literally stand up and search for moisture, which can lead to frizzy hair and horrible flyaways. My first tip is to ensure your hair is fully hydrated before you step out in the humid weather. During the summer months, I use the Intenso Moisturizing and Smoothing Hair Mask twice a week. I applied it on damp hair and leave it to soak in for around 10 to 15 minutes before washing out. It leaves my hair super nourished and smelling of shea butter. Mamma mia, it's so incredible! For extra hydration, I use the Vivace Leave-In Conditioner on freshly washed hair. This also helps soften my hair and keeps it smooth. It makes brushing my hair super easy too. Here I'm using Rossano Ferretti's Professional Detangling Brush. My hair can get very knotty, but the combination of the leave-in conditioner and the detangling brush, I can glide straight through my hair with ease. My second tip is to wash your hair less often and use the Vivace Dry Shampoo in between hair wash days to soak up any excess oil and to keep your scalp and hair looking and feeling fresh. Shampooing less will keep your hair healthier and smoother and less likely to frizz. I also avoid washing hair with really hot water and use a blast of cold water at the end of my shower. Using cold waters helps to seal your cuticles so they are smooth, giving the appearance of shinier and smoother hair. My next tip is to be gentle when drying your hair. Instead of rubbing, gently squeeze the excess water and let your hair dry naturally. If you have to blow dry your hair, I recommend your hair dries naturally for as long as possible before applying heat. One of my final tips is to keep your hairstyle as natural as possible. Work with your natural hair texture and you'll find that you won't need to battle against hot weather. However, if you have straight hair and you want to add texture without applying any heat, try braiding your hair and leave it overnight to dry naturally, and when you take them out, you will be left with beautiful natural waves. My final tip is the most important one. Whatever your hair type or texture, ensure it is protected from the sun. Sun damage can cause hair to become dry and frizzy. It also makes your hair color fade and make hair become weak and unhealthy. I use the Brillante Protect and Shine oil to protect my hair against UV rays and also to make hair shiny and beautiful.
Et voila! I hope these tips help you to manage your frizzy hair with Rossano Ferretti products. Thank you for watching.